Welcome to La Maison Wellness. Today we are making the Lazy Matinée, which is a twist on your favorite cocktail, the mimosa. So imagine you just get out of bed, it's Sunday morning, you want to chill and have brunch with your friend, this is your perfect cocktail. We're going to be using two different products from Lyre, the non-alcoholic Australian company. One is your Italian orange, so imagine your beautiful non-alcoholic bitter, a lot of like citrus coming through. Then your delicious non-alcoholic coffee liqueur, a little bit of orange juice, and then top up with Scavi and Lyre, which is a delicious non-alcoholic sparkling wine. So I'm going to start with the Italian orange, and I'm going to be pouring 30 ml directly in the glass. I'm then going to be using 10 ml of the coffee liqueur. And then to that I'm going to add 60 ml of fresh orange juice. And then I'm going to top up with very, very cold Scavi and Lyre, which is your non-alcoholic sparkling wine, to add the fizziness, the bubbles into your cocktail. Mixing just the ingredients together, and then you can either serve it just like this or add an edible flower in the cocktail. So this is your Lazy Matinée. Let's have a taste. It's delicious, it's beautiful, it's your perfect brunch cocktail. You really get all the citrus notes, so like the grapefruit and the orange from the Italian orange. And then the coffee liqueur comes through so nicely. Obviously the fresh orange is so nice for like a daytime cocktail, and especially for a brunch cocktail. And then the fizz, the bubbles from Scavi and Lyre non-alcoholic, makes it your perfect non-alcoholic mimosa. So this is your Lazy Matinée.